Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Mail on your iPhone and immediately open the message from the sender. Look up near the top for a visible unsubscribe label or link. Apple often shows it when it detects mailing lists. Once done, tap that unsubscribe prompt to request removal from the list. If you don't see an unsubscribe option, make a quick note of the sender address. You'll need it for the manual steps that follow. If Mail shows unsubscribe, tap it and confirm Mail sends the request for you. If the email only contains a web unsubscribe link, tap that link and follow the site's form. Sometimes you must uncheck boxes or type your email. Once you finish the web flow, return to Mail and mark the message read or delete it. If the unsubscribe doesn't work, move on to creating a filter or blocking the address as a backup plan. To finish, use Mail's block contact or move to junk options for persistent senders. This prevents future inbox clutter. Once done, sign in to iCloud. COM or open Mail settings to create a rule that auto-deletes or moves messages from that address. Rules are the most reliable fallback. If messages keep arriving, report them as junk, and when possible, contact the sender directly to request removal. Troubleshooting tip. If unsubscribe links redirect or fail, try a desktop browser or a private window and repeat the unsubscribe process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.